So let's begin by starting a new project. So I'm just going to click new project here. And then for my project name, I'm just going to name this level design. And really this project is just going to be something that we can use to learn level design and really level design in world building. So we could name this world building as well. And so there's really this connection between the way worlds are built for 3D or animation or games, and they all necessarily revolve around using either Unreal or Unity, and then you composite that into a scene that's 3D. So this is kind of cool that we're going to learn a little bit about how to build things in 3D, how to make virtual VFX, and all that good stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using the Universal 3D Core here. There's these different ones all through here, mixed reality, all these other different projects you can use to build inside of Unity, but we're just going to use Universal 3D. Do not do the 3D built-in renderer pipeline. These are the basic ones. We want to do the big one that has all the cool effects in it. And go ahead and click on Create Project here. So once that's done, you're going to be presented with these different views. You're going to have a scene view up here, which I'm going to hold Alt and left click to pan around. This is where we actually kind of build our game. Then below it, we have our game view. Now, if your view looks different than this, you can go to Layout and click on 2x3. And what I generally do is I'll grab my project tab and just dock it below to give myself some more space. So this is our game view. And so if I go up to the top here, I go to Game Object, 3D Object, Cube, you can see that we have a cube in our scene. And this main camera is actually what we're looking through in our game view. Now this camera is really what the player is going to see when they look at your game. Or if you're building a world for virtual production, when they put on the headset, the VR headset, this is their essentially their eyes that they're going to see through the world. And here we go. So down here is our projects tab. Generally, I just change this to one column to clean up. And then anytime you click an object or select an object like a main camera, it consists of different components. So this is the transform component, and this is really where the positioning, you can adjust the positioning in relation to the world. And there's a bunch of this other stuff here. A couple things, we'll end this video here. But the way that I'm able to manipulate or move around in this scene is you can scroll the wheel on your mouse or hold Alt and the right mouse button to zoom in and out. And you are going to definitely need a mouse for this class. You can click the middle wheel in to pan. You could zoom in and out. If you are using a trackpad, it is an absolute nightmare to use with Unity. I don't enjoy it at all. As you select objects, for example, like here's this cube that we make. If I hit F to focus, I can zoom in on it. If I select my main camera, I can hit F to focus. If I tab F twice, I get a zoomed out view. And if I tab it in again, I get a zoomed in view. So stuff like that. Here's my cube, F to focus, F to zoom out. So stuff like that. I think that's it for this particular lesson. I mean, you're going to be learning a lot about the interface as we move on because we're going to be building an entire like little world set